Smoking out lung cancer.
Welcome to this very special presentation, Smoking Out Lung Cancer. Today we are helping smokers quit the habit for good. Please share this video. First, let's look at a few stats, and then we'll dive into it. In the United States alone, lung cancer is expected to cause about 124,730 deaths in 2025, roughly 64,190 men, and 60,540 women. That's nearly 1 in 5 of all cancer-related deaths, making it the leading cause of cancer death for both men and women. Globally, the numbers are even more staggering. While exact worldwide figures vary year to year, estimates suggest over 1.8 million people die from lung cancer annually, according to international health organizations. The good news? Mortality rates have been gradually declining thanks to reduced smoking rates and advances in early detection and treatment. Helping someone quit smoking is one of the most compassionate and transformative things you can do. Here's a well-rounded guide that blends practical, physical, emotional, and spiritual strategies to support the journey toward freedom. Practical tips.
Set a quit date. Choose a meaningful day and prepare for it like a personal milestone. Create a quit kit. Include gum, cinnamon sticks, mints, a stress ball, and a list of affirmations. Track progress. Use apps like Quit Now or Smoke Free to monitor cravings and celebrate milestones. Avoid triggers. Identify routines or environments that prompt smoking and replace them with healthier habits. Clean your space. Remove ashtrays, lighters, and smoke-scented items to reduce temptation.
Physical strategies.
Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. Patches, gum, or lozenges can ease withdrawal symptoms. Exercise regularly. Even light movement like walking or stretching helps release dopamine and reduce cravings. Stay hydrated. Water flushes toxins and helps manage oral fixation. Eat smart. Focus on fruits, veggies, and whole grains to stabilize mood and energy. Sleep well. Rest is crucial for healing and emotional resilience.
Emotional support.
Counseling or therapy. Behavioral therapy helps reframe thoughts and build coping skills. Support groups. Join online or local communities like Freedom from Smoking, or call 1-800-QUIT-NOW for free coaching. Journaling. Write about cravings, victories, and emotional triggers to gain insight and clarity. Reward yourself. Celebrate smoke-free days with small treats or experiences. Talk back to cravings. Practice saying things like, "This urge will pass whether I smoke or not."
Spiritual encouragement.
Prayer and meditation. Use quiet time to reflect, ask for strength, and reconnect with purpose. Scripture anchors. Verses like Philippians 4:13, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me," can be powerful affirmations. Faith-based community. Lean on church groups or spiritual mentors for encouragement and accountability. Purpose-driven motivation. Frame quitting as part of your calling to care for the temple of your body and live with intention. Gratitude practice. Each day, thank God for one smoke-free moment. It builds hope and momentum. If you're helping someone else quit, your encouragement can be the difference between relapse and resilience. For more details and resources, please see the description. Please like and share this video so that it can go viral. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you soon.